We have entered Kunur. There is the municipal bus stand. There is a railway track. And this is way towards Kunur. I saw that mangoes over there. We are at Sri Lakshmi Cafe. Lakshmi Cafe. Sri Lakshmi, we have come and we had mushroom biryani, and that is not special biryani, no? Special. I think we can order one more mushroom biryani. We are surrounded by tea estates. This is the tea estate. Tea estate. We have Singara tea garden there, where we get the tea leaves, and this entire thing full tea everywhere. So now we are going towards what is Lamb Rock. And this is the route towards Lamb Rock.
Beautiful road in the dense forest.
This is like Bisley Ghat road.
Like this only.
So now we are going back to our homestay only. We are not going to the tourist spot because it was full traffic jam, almost 3 kilometers. And everybody suggested we return and take a U-turn. Ala? Nikoleta Panni?
And good decision.
Yes.
And good U-turn. Very well
We
taken.
took nice U-turn there in the middle of the
Well
roads.
done. Expert driving. Oh, from Muralidhar Kamal.
Heavy drive. Charmadi Ghat. Ooty is Charmadi Ghat. Ooty Charmadi Ghat.
Oh shit.
Super.
Ooty ka Charmadi Ghat.
Oh shit.
Wow. Good.
It is sab kora hi kora hai.
कोरा है लैंड हो गए हैं।
Where is this? You can't see anything. Shit. I've come for the viewpoint, and one of the viewpoint is here. Look at this. It's all covered with fog, and there's a small tea shop over here. And look at this amazing view. This is the view. And now we have come and ordered Maggie in this place where the viewpoint is. This is the Maggie, and this is the view.